Let's go ahead and do a review of Nexweave, which is help you stand out to your customers with hyper personalized images, GIFs, and interactive videos. It's alternative to nifty images and pic snippets and would be best for agencies, marketing teams, and entrepreneurs looking to better connect with their audience through personalization. Before getting into the full review, and I gotta say that it's a pretty promising tool, so let's go ahead and do a deep dive into Nexweave and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $59. One-time payment, and for $59 you'll get 1,000 monthly credits. Up to 60 seconds video length. 5 GB storage. Unlimited campaigns. One user. I will leave a link in the description below. You can check it out. Nexweave helps you create hyper-personalized images, GIFs, and interactive videos to display in emails, LinkedIn messages, chatbots, and web pages. When it comes to personalized marketing, customers expect much more these days. With Nexweave, you can create personalized images, GIFs, and interactive videos that make your audience feel special while increasing their engagement. You'll be able to set personalization parameters for your interactive videos and images with the easy-to-use editor. With so many messages hitting inbox-estily, personalization is a must for getting noticed by your audience. But just addressing your recipient by their first name isn't enough, and you don't have time to knit every customer a homemade sweater. Though my grandma says to step up my game. What if there was an easy way to add personalization and interactivity to your images, GIFs, and videos to build stronger relationships with your customers? Nexweave helps you create hyper-personalized images, GIFs, and interactive videos to display in emails, LinkedIn messages, chatbots, and web pages. When it comes to personalized marketing, customers expect much more these days. With Nexweave, you can create personalized images, GIFs, and interactive videos that make your audience feel special while increasing their engagement. You'll be able to set personalization parameters for your interactive videos and images with the easy-to-use editor. Upload your media and add personalized text, images, buttons, or animations to make them attractive and interactive. Nexweave lets you build media templates that can consume audience data and allow you to tailor your content. That way, you can display hyper-personalized images, GIFs, and interactive videos in real time. You can include as many personalization variables as you want and even connect your image or GIF template to a video template. Add multiple video experiences to the same link, so the recipient sees a vertical, personalized video on mobile and a standard video on their desktop or laptop. There's nothing better than finding a cool new tool that works with your existing communication stack. Nexweave works with over 100 platforms, 1,000 plus if you include the Zapier integration, and it's got comprehensive guides to help you set them up. Connect Nexweave to SaaS platforms like MailChimp, Gmail, or WordPress, so you can keep working with the tools you love. Nexweave connects with email, LinkedIn messages, chatbots, pop-ups, and landing pages to drive engagement across your communication channels. You can upload CSV files to get personalized media links, or ditch the CSV files and get embed codes for your favorite email, messaging, chat, or web platforms. Use the Nexweave plugins for Google Chrome to send messages through Gmail or LinkedIn while personalizing your websites as well. The power of personalization is boundless, whether it's your business communication channels or your nephew's popsicle stick art of your name. If you really want to take personalized messaging to the next level, Nexweave offers an exciting arsenal of personalized images, GIFs, and videos. Forge stronger connections with your audience. Get lifetime access to Nexweave today. You'll find link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.